Alright guys, welcome back again to my video tutorial on DaVinci Resolve, and we are still dealing with text here. Today I want to show you how to make your text appear in this manner. That's amazing. So I want to show you how to make the text appear like as if it is being written like the way I have shown you. If you're ready, let's get started. Alright guys, so we are here on DaVinci Resolve, so it's very simple. Again, this is the video I want to edit. I want to add the text to appear like as if it is being written. Now this is going to be a bit different because here now we will have to add a text. We will have to add a text that is text plus, not the normal text. Okay, so come to the top, the bottom left corner of DaVinci here, then you see here in text plus. Don't do text to text plus. Text plus is the one that is going to make your text appear like as if it is being written. So text plus here, drag, drop it on the part where you want it on your video. I'm just going to expand this a bit so that you can see. And then, of course, I'm going to highlight that. Come to inspector here. Then once on inspector, just write what you want here. So for example, this is going to be editing videos like a pro. So something like that is what I want to edit so that it becomes like as if it is being written the way I've shown you previously there. So now it is very simple. What you want to do is you want to, once you've typed in the words you want to appear like they're being written, scroll down on inspector here and then come to a point written right on. You see the point written right on, as simple as that. So this is the text here, guys. You want to bring this pointer to the beginning of the text there, all right? Then you want to come to inspector here and then mark your keyframe there. Click on that to mark your keyframe. And then you want to drag this button all the way to the end there, okay? The next thing you want to do, you want to come and mark it at the end of the text there. This is the end of my text. And then come back and mark your keyframe, guys. Again, drag this all the way out. As simple as that. In your videos, your text is going to appear like as if it is being written. So once again, bring your pointer to the start of your text here, mark a keyframe, drag this all the way down, and then bring it to the end of your text there, mark a keyframe, drag this all the way up. And then let's see what that one does. Amazing. Did you see that, guys? That is amazing. So I will show you, it's easy to you can text plus is a powerful way of animating your text and making text looks more vibrant, makes the text look more lively, and even makes your video come more alive and increase your engagement on your videos. Now guys, once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you taking time to watch this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like notification button. Again, please comment with thank you and comment with anything you want me to try and post for you next time. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.